Replace a lost Sprint cell phone. A lot of unnecessary stress and pressure can burden your mind if you happen to lose something as important as your cell phone. In this day and age, a cell phone to a person is like his wallet. It contains important information, contacts, and perhaps even saved messages, which are for that person's eyes only. As much as possible, you should always keep an eye on your cell phone. Keep it close to you at all times, and store it somewhere safe and where you can easily get to it in case of an emergency. However, even with all of these precautions, there are times when a simple act of carelessness can lead to a very costly mistake. One such act may lead to a lost cell phone. Fortunately, there are certain manufacturers of this important piece of technology, which are there to help if ever you misplace or lose it. If you happen to have lost a Sprint cell phone, then there is a silver lining to your situation, as you can have your cell phone replaced, if you meet the necessary requirements. Here's how to replace a lost Sprint cell phone through the use of a simple step-by-step process, which requires a couple of calls and a little bit of your effort. So what are you waiting for? There is not much else to lose once you have lost your cell phone, so you may as well try the steps below and hope for the best. Give the Sprint customer hotline a call and let them know of your situation. The phone number you need to dial in order to get in touch with customer service is 1-888-211-4727. Once they have you on the line, inform them of the missing Sprint cell phone, and ask them if your phone insurance can cover your losing your cell phone. Also, make sure that you ask them to stop any service your phone was currently on before you had lost it. What to do if insurance is able to cover for this loss? Simply ask the customer representative exactly how much credit you will be receiving as compensation for the lost phone. It is also important to ask the representative what kind of Sprint phones can be bought with this credit, because not all of them are available as a means to replace lost cell phones. Once you have written down all the important details, then you can either search online for the kind you want, or go in person to a local Sprint retail store. Check out what kind of phones you can purchase there with your acquired credit. What to do if insurance is not enough to cover your loss? Then you will just have to purchase a new one with your own money. As stated above, you can either look for a phone and purchase it online, or visit the stores in person and look for one you like. On a closing note, ensure that your dealer configures your new phone with the same plan as your old phone so you do not have to start from scratch. Congratulations, and take care of your new cell phone.